How to get 0.5 zoom on iPhone camera. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the camera application on your phone. The camera app on your iPhone allows you to capture high-quality photos and videos. It also has zoom controls and other settings to enhance your shots. Once you are in the camera app, you can switch between different zoom levels by tapping on the options such as 0.5x, 1x, or 2x. Tap on 0.5x. After that, tap the shutter button at the bottom of the screen. This will take the picture with 0.5 zoom. You can now use this feature to take photos or record videos. Tap on the photo on the left bottom corner to view the photo with 0.5 zoom that was just saved to your photos library. Using this option, you can zoom out and get a wider view for your camera. Following these steps, you can easily get 0.5 zoom picture on an iPhone.